Okay, so this is Dr. Jeff Nelson, North Texas Dental in Greenville, Texas. And we just finished up the treatment advocate training case acceptance. And Dr. Nelson, share with me what your thoughts have been with our training thus far.
Well, I've been extremely pleased with the training. I think what it's done, it's given me a good idea of what I should be expecting from hygiene, what a good practice management goals are, and it's also given them a comfort level about what's ethical and things that we can do that really benefit our patients, but also benefit us financially. What's been great for us, I think, is as a team, it's brought us together. And we're more closely aligned with what our value system is, which is to treat our patients really well. And the training that we've gotten has been the most excellent involvement I've had with any kind of continuing education since I've been in practice. And I've got 2,500 hours of continuing education. This has just been such a pleasure, mainly because we're lockstep. You know, we understand where they're coming from. They're trying to improve our patient care, and I found that our patient care has gone way up, but also our financial aspect, we've benefited from that as well. That's not why we did it. We did it because we wanted to have a closer knit team. And it's not only brought the hygienists together, but the assistants, the front office, we're all on the same page now. And speaking of Paige, she's fantastic.
Thanks, Dr. Nelson. Appreciate it.
You bet.